Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get or how to have your Midjourney version 6 on your Discord or how to use it. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first we need just to go to the Midjourney website and just go to your browser, search for Midjourney and we will be able to add it. So basically here you will need just to go to Midjourney and you will need just to create your own account and basically you will need just to sign in or join the beta. So basically sign in. After that we will be able to directly and automatically add it to our Discord server. You click on authorize and basically you will be able to add Midjourney if you have already created an account. And of course, you can just connect with your account and go to the Discord server. So let's just go for dark mode, and from here you go to your here, and you can find your account. So also you can just go to community, so you can be able to go to the Discord app or from the Midjourney from Discord, and then it will take you to the server automatically. And from here, you will be able to start using Midjourney 6. To do so, all you need to do is to modify your prompts. So in the imagine or prompts from describe, so here in the imagine prompt, you will add any prompt that you would like. Then you will need just to add the V6 dash v6 and this will automatically active the Midjourney 6. And from here in the community, you can see the V6 showcases, and this is how prompts are done, or those are the results of the version 6 of our uh, Midjourney model. So basically, this is how you can have your own Midjourney 6 on your Discord, and you can also start having your prompts from here. You can manage your uploads, and you can find your results from here. And basically, that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.